How's it going, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV, and today we are showing you the first line air filter from Tusk for the Yamaha Ténéré 700. Hello, and thank you for checking in. So if you have a Yamaha Ténéré 700, well, do yourself a favor and go pick up a couple of these first line air filters from Tusk. Now, I know this is just a foam air filter, but there are some benefits and things about these that are really nice for this bike especially. So first and foremost is cost. These are a lot less expensive than just an OEM air filter. Another benefit to these is just the surface area. So the stock air filter on the Ténéré 700 is a pleated design around the outside, so you just don't get the surface area as you do with a foam filter. So this one will just clog up a little bit faster. So another great benefit. Another thing we love about these filters is that, for longer rides, if you want to take an extra filter with you and just have it pre-oiled, say in a Ziploc baggie, very easy to do that because they compress down really, really small. For our adventure rides, if we're gonna be in a lot of dusty conditions, we'll always take an extra air filter for those reasons. Now, I know there are some other companies that do make aftermarket air filters like this one. However, they actually will run aluminum around the outside here. We use rubber. The reason for that is that the ones with aluminum are just a little bit harder to clean. So rubber gives you another benefit in that category. Now, as far as the install process goes, same exact install as your OEM air filter. You're just gonna drop it in there. You wanna make sure it does go in the correct orientation. So right here where it says front, you want that facing the front of the motorcycle. You do not need rim or grease around the rim. You just drop it in there, install everything, works with your stock snorkel, and you'll be ready to go. So again, if you have a Yamaha Ténéré 700, looking to pick up some extra air filters, this is a really great option. If you have questions or comments, we would love to get those answered, so leave those in the comments section. To grab one of these and see all the other great parts that we carry for the Ténéré 700, click on the link in the description or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, all orders are $75 ship free. We pride ourselves on fast shipping, so take advantage of that. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, get subscribed to Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.